We are inside of 103 Elwyn Lane, Unit 2, or Apartment 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment. It's on the first level on the left side of the building. It's in the northwest area of Columbia, just off of Greystone Blvd. It's just minutes from downtown Columbia and also Harbison as well, and convenient to I-20 and I-26. So we're inside the unit already. You can see there's a nice sized living room, a couple of windows looking out to the front of the home, and it's all open to the dining area here on the opposite side. You can see there's a sliding glass door that lets you out to the back. That's the front door from the outside there. Just inside as well, there is a laundry closet here in the main room. You have full-size washer and dryer connections inside of there. And there's also a half bathroom in the corner here as well. You have a single vanity in there, medicine cabinet, and also a commode. Then you have the sliding door letting out to the covered back porch on the home. So you have a sort of a covered back deck, and then steps down to the backyard area. And there is a fence at the rear, not fenced in on any other side. However, there is also an attached storage room as well, right off the deck. So you can see some good storage space in there. There's also where the water heater is. So back inside, right off of the dining area, you have a galley style kitchen, pretty spacious. You have included appliances here. There's a black stove. There's a dishwasher and a refrigerator there as well. And it all connects to the hallway. So off the hallway, you can see that's going back towards the living room there. So off the hallway you have 2 bedrooms. This is the first of those. Faces the front of the unit. Then you have a closet here behind 2 bifold doors. You can see that kind of goes back a little bit behind the door, so decent amount of closet space in there. You also have your master, what will be considered the master, at the back, and it has a walk-in closet, as you can see here. And then you have some more storage at the end of the hall, a coat closet here on the left side, and then a linen closet on the right. And then last but not least, you do have your full bathroom in the home. So you have a single sink cabinet space, and then you have a combination shower and tub there as well, and a nice large mirror over that sink. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, it's 103 Elwyn Lane. It's Apartment 2. You can find more information on this property by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or giving us a call at 803-407-8522.